Hey, what's up? Last year we tested a triple dash cam from AZDOME company. It was really good dash cam, and I still use it in my car. However, many of you don't need a triple dash cam. In that case, AZDOME M17 dash cam may be right for you. It has a single camera with 1080p Full HD resolution, 3-inch IPS screen, 150 degrees of viewing angle, G-sensor, parking mode, loop recording, and even app support. The price of this dash cam is very affordable, only $60 on Amazon. Okay, without further ado, let's start the review of AZDOME M17 dash cam. But first, I want to ask you to subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. Thank you for your support. So the box of this dash cam looks very simple, because there's only company logo and slogan. However, inside the box there's a different stuff, such as dash cam itself, car charger, power cable, windshield mount, cable heating clips, trim tool, user manual, and even 32 gigs memory card. By the way, I told you that dash cam supports parking mode, but you need to buy hardware kit for that additionally. It is sold on Amazon for $16. Talking about design of AZDOME M17 dash cam. First, I want to mention a big screen with a diagonal of 3 inches. You know, it is one of the biggest screen on dash cams I have ever tested. However, the dash cam itself is not very large. The dimensions are 90 by 52 by 38 mm. The weight is only 71 grams. The second feature in design of this dash cam is a lens at the front. Just like the screen, the lens is very big. I think this is because of a 150 degrees viewing angle. Most other dash cams have about 120 degrees viewing angle. And then the new AZDOME dash cam has AV and USB ports on the top. At the bottom there is a reset button and microphone hole. The physical control buttons are on the left and right sides, such as OK return button, mode button, lock button, and power button on the right. TF card slot, up button, menu button, and down button on the left. As you understand, the screen is not touch sensitive. What else should you know about design of this dash cam? First, the windshield mount is very simple. You cannot move it to change the angle. However, the lens on the dash cam is adjustable, so it is not a problem. In addition, you can connect power cable right to the dash cam, as well as to the windshield mount. By the way, a car charger has 2 USB ports, so you can use the second USB port to charge your smartphone. Now let's turn on the dash cam and look at the settings. In the top left corner of the main screen, we can see the name of a Wi-Fi network and password from it. Later we will check it. And there is also an icon of a movie clip time and remaining recording time. In the right corner, we have the icons of Wi-Fi, microphone, memory card, and battery. In the settings menu, first we can change a video resolution 1080p 30fps or 720p 30fps. Then we can choose a movie clip time from 1, 3, 5 minutes or turn it off. The next function is sound record. You can turn the microphone on/off. The new dash cam supports video time-lapse, advanced driver assistance systems, protect level, and parking monitor. In the settings menu, we can also change a language of dash cam. The other options are volume, LCD power save, power off time, flicker, clock settings, stamp, Wi-Fi, fatigue warning, automatic format SD card, manual format SD card, reset settings, and firmware version. So the dash cam has many useful functions for its price. And that's very good. As already said, AZDOME M17 supports Wi-Fi, so you can connect the dash cam to the smartphone. For that you need to install the app called AZDOME. It is available on Android and iOS devices. First, you need to connect to dashcam Wi-Fi network on your phone. The name and password of a Wi-Fi network are on the screen of the dashcam. After that, open the app, click on Check Real-Time Video. Now you can see a live video from dashcam of your smartphone. There you can change video resolution, take a snapshot, stop-start video recording, audio recording, switch mode, switch camera. In the settings menu, we have the same options as on the dashcam itself, such as video resolution, loop recording, G-sensor, exposure, date stamp, and others. You know, I have been using a triple dash cam from AZDOME for over a half year now, and I have never opened the app for all that time. Do you think this is a useful feature? Write in the comments below. Finally, let's take a look at the video quality of this dash cam. This is the most important thing. As already said, the maximum video resolution of AZDOME M17 dash cam is Full HD 30fps. However, I am more surprised by the viewing angle. It is 150 degrees. There is 6 glass wide-angle lens in the dash cam, so the viewing angle is very good. In addition, the manufacturer claims the dashcam has a super night vision. Overall, I can see that the video quality is good, day and night. Of course, it is not the best, because it is a budget dashcam for $60 with Full HD resolution. However, I think that would be enough for most people. Moreover, the dashcam has many useful features, such as G-sensor, loop recording, 24 hours parking mode, and mobile app support. I really like a big screen of this dashcam. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Tech Brothers.